back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm inside Kmart Australia and I'm looking first of all at this gorgeous blush pink kettle. Now it also comes in turquoise, guys, and priced at just $39. I thought it was just stunning. She might feel the same. Get out there, get your shit together. Now Kmart has also released a stunning toaster to match, and I actually have this in the turquoise, guys, but the blush pink really has stolen my heart. You're the one who writes your script. The thing I love most of all about shopping in Kmart is how affordable it is. Like this beautiful laundry container, and it's just priced at $6. While in store, they also had my timeless sideboard. Guys, I have this in my Decorate With Me video, and it is so affordable at just $39. I also loved this timeless drinks trolley in the gold glam style, and it was just $45. You can say at least I've tried with the first step. Move it up, don't let it slip. You're the one who writes your... If you're looking for affordable glam furniture for your home, Kmart has released some beautiful pieces, like both of these beaches, guys, for just $45. I've never been closer. The daydream every day as I'm getting older. I truly could spend hours in Kmart. There are so many new things always being released, and every time you pop in, there's always something that will definitely catch your eye. You're the one who writes your script. We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take. Who can remember when chunky knit throws first got released? I remember, guys, that sometimes they were in excess to $300 to $400, but Kmart has released their own version for just $25. I absolutely loved this ladder that also came with a mirror. And guys, they had an abundance of knot cushions and reduced to just $6. I always adore looking at their beautiful candle collection, as well as their artwork. And they also have the most beautiful vases and florals. There are so many to choose from. Kmart have also released a beautiful collection of gold glam decor. I especially loved this beautiful gold mirrored tray, and it was priced at just $15. And I certainly took this beautiful brass look table lamp home. It was just stunning, guys, and priced at just $25. Kmart are absolutely stunning. I truly loved these ones. Now, I can't remember what these are called, guys, but I absolutely fell in love with them. I use a lot of these flowers in a lot of my DIYs. I find that Kmart is perfect for that inexpensive DIY project. Kmart also have a wonderful stationery section. I really enjoy looking in here. Like for example this beautiful black and white roses filing system. And they were just $3.
Pictures can be fake. I know you better than anyone else. Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy. They don't know a thing. One love, that's all you need to be everything you want to be.
I also loved this felt memo board in pink, and it was priced at just $8.
Don't hit the wall, just learn to say.
They also have some very affordable frames. So if you're looking to frame a beautiful picture of your family, Kmart certainly has a vast array for you to choose from.
Think of you, is that so hard to see? Got this feeling lately that you are drowning maybe, but all the world is crazy.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed shopping with me at Kmart Australia.
To be everything you want to be. All the love you'll ever need is waiting right here.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
You'll ever need is waiting right here. I didn't come here to save you.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.